Hello y'all, welcome back. Let's not waste any time. Today I'm going to share with you guys 5 of my tips and favorite products, sort of a combination. Some of them are tips, some of them are products for kind of dusting the tiredness off, right? We're moms, we're tired. A lot of times we don't get enough sleep. Maybe you've got a new baby that's keeping you up. Maybe you've got a husband snoring that's keeping you up. Sometimes we need to reach into our Mary Poppins bag of mama tricks and pull ourselves together and feel more awake, but also more youthful, as I am turning 39 this year, fastly approaching 40, as we attempt to age gracefully. How can I have like the youthfulness I feel on the inside be matched on the outside with like a youthful appearance? Here we go. Today, I have a little date night with my husband. We're going to see a comedy show, a ha show. First little trick are these Lumify drops from Bausch & Lomb. So these are basically redness reduction drops. They make your eyes look brighter. They help to like calm the redness and stuff in your eyes and make your eyes look brighter, more awake. Whoops, clickety clack. And you just put one little drop ski in each eye. And so this is what we're going to start with, okay? Because you want to give these things time to work. Okay, step number 2, and this is where today's video sponsor comes in. I'm quite thrilled to have Dime Beauty sponsor this video. I worked with them last month, and I have just really fallen in love with so many of their products. So step number 2 is, in general, the moisturization of your whole body, face, but body, skin, and stuff as well. Like that's one of the first like dead giveaways for aging or for looking aged. That's a bad thing, but you know what I mean, is that dry, crepey skin. So one of my favorite products from Dime is the Glaze Hydrating Body Oil. I'm unhealthily obsessed with it, okay? I just don't know what else to tell you other than, first of all, I wish they made it in a bigger bottle. Dime, if you're listening, please make this in a bigger bottle because this is my second one and I love it so much. So this is the Blue Facial Oil. I put a couple of drops of this on my hand. I noticed that I've been breaking out in kind of the same areas. So that's how I discovered this or decided to try this product. And this has like blue tansy, black cumin seed oil, rose hip seed oil. Really helps to battle blemishes while still being nourishing and healthy for your skin. So that's what I like, is it's a blemish fighting product that doesn't dry out your skin. And I have really been loving this product. Like I said, I don't know what's going on. It could be age, hormones, I don't know, but my skin is starting to break out in certain areas. So I've just been taking this. I use it sometimes twice a day, but usually just once a day, and just kind of put it in the areas where I've been breaking out or I feel like I've kind of had some pore clogging. Then I just pat it in. I don't like rub it all in. I just pat it in nice and gently. I'm also going to put on a little bit of their lip balm. I'm just in love with this. I went on a girls' trip to Charleston recently for my friend's birthday. I was passing this around in the car like a Dime Beauty supplier and everybody loved it. It's awesome. This moisturizes and replenishes. It has just such a wonderful feeling of hydration. It doesn't feel like super sticky. It's not that kind of feeling where the wind blows and you feel like your hair is gonna like stick in your lips. It's just a very hydrating formula. Kind of just got like a little bit of a sweetness to it. I really, really love that product. I'm not gonna put this on just yet, but this has also become a new favorite of mine and just the thing I was looking for. So this is their Wonder Screen, and this is the tinted broad spectrum SPF 30 product. So in the spring, summer, when I'm working out in the garden all the time, I'm always trying to find a product that is a sunscreen, but something that doesn't leave like a greasy, weird feeling and gives me just a teensy bit of life to my skin on days where I don't want to wear a ton of makeup. It gives you just that perfect like little bit of glow to it. You can layer on top of it with foundations with no problem. And we are going to squirt a little bit of this on at the end, but I'm going to go ahead and show you now. This is another Dime Beauty perfume. I told you guys about the one that I got last time, and then my mom ordered some. I smelled my mom one day and I was like, what perfume is that? And she was like, it's one of the Dime Beauty. She got like the sampler set and she's like, it's one of the Dime Beauty perfumes. And I'm like, send me a picture of it. I need to know which one it is now. This is the newest one to me and it's called Core Memory. Guys, Many of you guys trust me implicitly with perfume recommendations. I am very particular about my perfumes, and so many of y'all have said you really, really trust my perfume recommendations. This Core Memory is just such a good everyday perfume, almost like a signature scent kind of perfume, probably why it's called Core Memory, but also is a very easily layered perfume. So you can have this as like your base layer perfume, and then in spring, if you wanted something a little more flowery on top. And if you are new to Dime Beauty, they offer luxury skincare products, beauty products, wellness products at much more affordable prices. They use clean ingredients, vegan, cruelty-free. They don't use any harsh chemicals. And they also use all glass packaging, so that makes it much more eco-friendly. They also have a ton of really awesome bundles. So I have a link down below in the description box. First of all, y'all can get 20% off using my code AngelaB20. If you click that link down below, it'll take you right there and apply the code. These are a great place to just go to the bundles page and kind of choose based on what you're looking for skincare-wise. That should help make it a little easier for you to just kind of narrow it down and get started. I have honestly loved everything that I've tried from Dime Beauty thus far. They haven't let me down yet, so I've really loved everything that I've tried. And now that I've got my blue agave oil on, I'm gonna finish with my skincare products, and then we will move on to the next step. One of my children broke my roller. So this is a rose quartz roller. You can use a jade roller, an ice roller, any number of rollers, but these are fantastic for helping with like lymphatic drainage, helping to reduce any kind of like water retention, swelling in your face. Honestly, they're super easy to use. My favorite part about using something like this, one of my favorite things to do, and I need to go get them out of the fridge right now, is to put something like this into the fridge or freezer for just a few minutes. You can store it in there all the time, or if you just don't want to do that and you just think about it, you know, maybe like when you hop in the shower, pop this into the fridge or freezer and then pull it out and do your rolling, roll away with the cold roller. There are lots of benefits. The other thing that I do is I take my eye patches, which I'm going to go get them in just a second, and I put my like eye patches that I'm going to use for awakening. Now again, this is not like, oh, do this every single day. You really need to pull it together kind of tips. Here's like kind of your like throwing the kitchen sink at it. Here's everything that you can do to try to help yourself look a little bit more alive, awake. And these are obviously like good tips for a date night, but also like if you're having family pictures done. I don't know, you got to pull it together, okay? We can do these things. Okay, let me go get the eye patches. Normally I would put these on and let them do their thing like while I was drying my hair and stuff. I didn't do that in this sequence because I knew I was filming this stuff. It doesn't matter. It's neither here nor there. Put them on, leave them on, depending on what the package says, 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you feel like. Now I'm going to put on the Dime Beauty Wonder Screen. Again, on an everyday basis, this is all I wear, and it doesn't come in multiple colors or anything like that because it's just sort of blends in with your skin. On an everyday basis, this is all I've been wearing, but because we're going out tonight, I am going to put more of a foundation on top of it because this is a sunscreen that's just tinted lightly. So it's just lovely. It's lovely. It's just so glowy and pretty, just as it is. Honestly, very pretty and glowy. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. For wanting to look a little bit more alive, youthful, cream products are the way to go. You know, the older we get, the drier our skin tends to get. But also I feel like cream products just have a more of a youthful look to them. When you're trying to look younger, surprisingly, or maybe not surprisingly to you, less is more. So we're not going to go like super heavy with contour and all of that kind of stuff. We're going to simplify things. I'm going to use a cream eyeshadow. I'm just going to use one of my cream eyeshadow products. I have a bunch of different cream eyeshadows that I like to use. I rotate, but based on the outfit I think I'm going to wear tonight, I'm going to do this coppery one. This is one of those things that I feel like is a subtle difference, but one that, especially if you're feeling tired and like you look tired, you will notice a difference, is using a nude eye pencil. I've seen some people use white ones. That's too harsh in my opinion and too obviously not quite right. This is from NYX. It's called the Wonder Pencil, and mine is in the WP01 light color. A nude, almost skin colored eye pencil. And just using this on my lower waterline is one of those things that just kind of immediately awakens your eye. Not too much, don't go nuts with it. Hopefully you can see the difference in that. And if you've got like redness in your eyes from being tired, it's just one of those things that can kind of help wake up. Yeah, I mean, I feel like you can hopefully see it. Just kind of helps wake up your face. It's a simple little thing, couple bucks for one of these eye pencils. All right, I think tonight I'm gonna go for my Dream Pop mascara. It's kind of like a brown burgundy type shade. And I really like this when I don't want like a harsh mascara look. Again, I do find too much makeup can age you. I think we all know that, right? Too much makeup can age you. And sometimes I feel like, you know, just the right amount of each thing can help with the youthful, awake, not so tired mom face, you know? Okay, so remember I said cream products. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. All right, I got this sampler of this Merit. I've told you guys before about the Merit cream blushes. So this is the Flush Blush in the shade Fox. Oh my gosh. This is perfect in place of a bronzer and a blush. Like I said, just a simple light product. It does, for me, I feel like it does both blush and bronzer. We're just going to put some right here. I know it looks crazy, guys. It looks crazy. Just hold on a second. And then we're going to blend it out. It's so pretty. So pretty. Ooh, isn't that pretty, girl? Yes, ma'am. He's so pretty. Don't ask, okay? Put my blush in weird places sometimes. On my face, only on my face. Okay, do you see what I mean? It's a little bright in here right now. It's glowy, it's soft, doesn't have a bunch of harsh lines of like a bronzer and a blush and all of that. Almost like with the combination of that Wonder screen and a good like glowy foundation on top or whatever, like it's just kind of all that you need. Less is more sometimes. But in this case, yes, less is more. Okay, see what I mean? Don't need a bunch of harsh eyeliner and a whole bunch of stuff. We just need a little bit of good foundation, some glowy blush, a little bit of pop under the eyes there, you know? We look alive. It's alive. It's alive. That's it. Those are my sort of 5 tips, as well as just products that I like to use to help, like I said, when I'm feeling just kind of tired and run down and I just really need to give myself a little boost to feel like I am at least attempting to look more awake, alive, and youthful. These are kind of my go-tos. So hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm heading off to my haha show now. I will see you guys again very soon.